Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a comforting bowl of chicken noodle soup from a convenient packet. It's a quick and easy meal perfect for any day. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of chicken noodle soup, about 4 cups of water, and any extra vegetables or cooked chicken you might want to add. You'll also need a medium-sized pot and a stirring spoon. Always check your specific packet for exact water amounts and cooking duration. Now, let's get started with mixing. Carefully pour the recommended amount of water, usually around 4 cups, into your medium-sized pot. Next, open your chicken noodle soup packet and add all of its contents directly into the cold water. It's important to stir the mixture thoroughly with your spoon. This helps to fully dissolve the seasoning and ensures there are no dry lumps, creating a smooth and flavorful base for your soup. With your ingredients mixed, it's time to cook. Place the pot on your stove over medium-high heat. Bring the soup to a rolling boil, making sure to stir it occasionally to prevent the noodles from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer gently for the time specified on your packet, which is usually about 5 to 7 minutes, until the noodles are tender. Your delicious chicken noodle soup is almost ready. Once the noodles are perfectly tender and the soup has simmered for the recommended time, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Allow the soup to cool for just a few minutes before serving. It will be very hot. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and feel free to add any garnishes you like, such as fresh parsley, a sprinkle of black pepper, or some crunchy crackers. Enjoy your homemade comfort in a bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.